Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to check for the software update quickly on this device. Simply go to the settings and tap on the option device care. Now scroll down, here you can see the option software update. Tap on this one. Now tap on the option download and install. Tap on this one. Okay. If any software update is available, now you can see it is downloading and installing. Okay, now you need to just wait for a few seconds to complete this process. So software update improves the system stability, fix issues like lag or heating, and sometimes add new features. Keeping your phone updated ensure it runs smoothly and securely at all times. So simply in this way we can check for the software update quickly on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.